Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got a Dom RS Sigma here. 6-pin lock. If I'm not mistaken, these are all passive pins on the side, so we just worry about the 6 pins on top. Keyway is pretty open compared to something like the Plura, which Plura is still pretty open. You can just snag on the Warden a little more. So let's see, let's give it some counterclockwise tension. I'm going to use a hook 1 in 18 thousandths, and I'm going to be picking off this left warding, just feeling for a binder. 2 is binding, got a small little something there. I believe this is 5, or maybe that was 6. 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're just going to go back and forth, taking our time, feeling for binders. If it's not stiff, we're going to leave it alone. I just hit 2 and 1 and felt a little bit of core shift. Six is still loose. 5, 4. Click on 4. 3 is binding. We'll let off a little bit of tension. 2 again. 1. All right, key pin fell, so it's not overset. That kind of gave me some weird feedback. Touched 5. Got more core movement. Let's see, 6. 5 again. 4, something fell. 5 fell. 6, 5, 4. 2, 1. And there we go. I had to give, I think that was pin 3. 2 or 3 little clicks. It just started nudging itself up. All right, so that's the RS Sigma. Set that right there. Now I move the vise. Alright. See, this has got a bend clip. Here's the key, so yeah, we didn't have to touch those passive pins. Let's see, I think this should do it. And one of those just fell out. Oh, another little passive pin fell out. All right, we're just dropping stuff now. All right, I think we're done dropping little stuff. Let's see where this one went. Okay, that was right. And this got to go in chamber 5. Yeah, all right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 passive pins. All right, let's see if they did anything with the key pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, yeah, I was wondering about that. 6 is 1 is a torpedo. I can't get it though. There we go. All right, so 1 torpedo key pin. There's that keyway again. It's pretty open. I just picked off that left ward and went straight up. All right, let's check the Bible. I'm assuming these were going to be just all Dom barrels since we never got a false set, unless they just bound funny. You got a Dom barrel in 1, Dom barrel in 2. We had a spool in 3. We had a master wafer for some reason. I guess we set it past the F's what that extra click was on. It was pin 4. Alright, so there's a master wafer there. I gotta see if I don't need that. Never mind, everything was flush in the keyway. Alright, a spool in 5. Probably be a barrel. There's another wafer. So I actually set everything to the key pins versus the wafers. What was that one? I think it was on 4. So we'll just leave those there. And 6 springs. I guess the taper's bound so much later than the spools that we never got a false set. So that's it for that. And that's everything on the bidding wise. Everything was pretty high on the key. So the spools had time to engage. They just the tapers prevented a false set. So that's it. Let me zoom that in. Let y'all look at the pins. So we got a torpedo key pin on 1, barrels on 1, 2, 4, and 6, spools on 3 and 5, and we had a couple master wafers that we picked through anyway. So all right guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.